Guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making burgers, but not just any burgers. We're going to be making my cheddar bacon mushroom burgers, and they are insanely delicious. Healthy? No. An indulgence? Yes. I remember making these for so long, and I have to say these are one of my favorite burgers. We don't make them that often, but I love these burgers. They're a cross between a smash burger, a onion burger, and a mushroom burger, and they are out of this world delicious. You're gonna love them. So we're gonna go over all of the ingredients and we'll get started. Okay guys, so first off, you are gonna need some burger buns. You can use whatever style of buns that you like, really. My daughter picked these out because she wanted these today with some fries. So that's what we're going to be making. So she picked these out. These are the Tailgater's sesame buns. So that's what we got. This is 80-20 ground beef. This is 2 pounds. And what you're going to do with these is you're just going to portion these out between 3 ounce to 4 ounce size balls. And they're unseasoned, and just set them on the plate. They're not really too compacted, they're just shaped into little ball size and just hanging out. And you're going to need some cheese. Now whatever style of cheese that you prefer, that's what you use. Today we're going to be using cheddar cheese. That's because that's what I had on hand. Typically I would use American cheese, but the store did not have any, so we opted for cheddar, which works out very, very well. So you're also going to need some butter, Worcestershire sauce, and for seasoning you can pretty much use whatever you want. This is just what I use every single time I make these, and that's seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Just really basic seasoning. You're also going to need some mushrooms, onions, some more salt and pepper, and some bacon. Now I went ahead and fried up my bacon. This is just about 8 pieces of bacon that I cut in half, and I went ahead and cooked it up, and I've just got it sitting here draining and cooling. So what you're going to do with the bacon fat that's left over in your pan is you are just going to take out any of the extra grease that's in there, because you are going to be using butter for the onions and the mushrooms. So go ahead and do that. I've also got a griddle pan ready. You can do this on a flat top or in a cast iron skillet, non-stick skillet, whatever you have. So let's take these over to the stove and get started. Alright guys, so what I've got going on here is I got both of my little my skillet and my flat top here on, and we are just going to butter these buns and pop them down on this griddle and cook them for just a few seconds. You don't want to cook them too long because they will burn. So just keep an eye on them. Because it goes pretty quickly. Got room for those. And then all you're going to do is when they brown up, take them off the heat, plop them onto your plate. So they don't burn. Like I said, it goes very, very quickly. So I'm going to finish this last one up. It really takes no longer than 20 to 30 seconds for these to cook up. Okay, so I've got those done, and I went ahead and put some butter on the pan here, and I'm just going to set a couple of these burgers down. And then I'm going to take some wax paper, pop it on top, and smash them down until they're really, really thin. And now that I've got them all smashed, I went ahead and just mixed up my seasoning. You don't need much, just a little bit on top. And you're going to let these cook for about 3 minutes. Then you're going to flip them over, put the slice of cheese on, and let them cook another 3 minutes. And then you'll take them off. And then you'll just place them on a plate, and they'll just hang out while you do the rest of your burgers. In the meantime, what we're going to do is we are going to make our onions. So, I've got my skillet here. I'm just going to add just a little bit of butter to the pan. Get this melting. Okay, now we're going to add in our onions. And our mushrooms. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. And we're just going to cook this until the onions are tender and the mushrooms are cooked down. And then I will meet you right back here for the next step. Okay, so my onions and my mushrooms have cooked down. I'm going to go ahead and add in our Worcestershire sauce. Give these a toss. And then we're going to let these cook just for a few more minutes until they start to get nice and caramelized. It should take about 5 to 10 more minutes. So to my burgers, I went ahead and flipped them, put the cheese on, and I put 2 pieces of bacon on 2 of the burgers because those are going to be the top part of our burgers. And then we're just going to stack these together. We'll just put that right back on. That one was a little slippery. And once you get them stacked, you can remove these to a plate to hang out while you cook the other burgers. Okay, so my onions and my mushrooms are done and they're nice and caramelized. So we are just going to take these out from the pan and just put them in a bowl and set them aside and let them hang out. I've got my second batch of burgers on and they are almost ready to come off. And we'll get these assembled. And then I'll meet you right back here and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Okay guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and give this video a thumbs up if you did. And if you're going to try this, let me know in the comment section down below. You can head on over to my website. The link is in the description box as well as the comment section. You can just pick that up over there, print it out, and make these for your family or a guys get together. These are one of my husband's favorite burgers as well. So yeah, you guys, we are going to go dig in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.